So guys, welcome back to the channel. Will's Kitchen Table. Chef Will is here on the outside. Smoothie on the outside. Again guys, I brought it back. Smoothie's on the outside. We're just gonna get this going right now. I got all my stuff right here. I'm gonna show you guys what's going on the table here for the smoothie on the outside. I'm making a smoothie today called Tropical Storm, guys. If you guys can see that. All the stuff here for the Tropical Storm. I got honeydew, I got cantaloupe and watermelon and pineapple and orange. I squeezed some fresh orange juice in my squeezer inside. I'm just gonna jump right in and get it going. And I also have some bananas right there and everything for this tropical smoothie, this Tropical Storm. It's a quarter cup each, but I'm gonna double the recipe. All right, so just gonna get this going right now. I already have some honeydew here cut up. I'm gonna throw this right inside my blender. I'm gonna cut another piece, and everything here already washed and ready to go. Smoothies on the outside, guys. Love it. Gotta enjoy the summer. And this watermelon looks so white. It's not red. I was thinking it wasn't gonna be sweet, but I'm surprised. The watermelon. So good. All that's inside the blender. Roll this aside and so get some pineapple. You guys make sure you peel a pineapple. I don't throw away the skin, guys. I use it. Make sauces, drink, and all that good stuff. See, I got my banana here already cut up. I just drizzle some honey right on the bananas. Just gonna bring this a little bit over so you guys can see what's going on right there. Alright, so I gotta scrape all the honey out of this. And that's only a tablespoon of honey for the Tropical Storm. Smoothies on the outside, guys. Great. Alright, so it should be, if you're doing for one serving, you do half a cup of orange juice. I'm doing 1 cup right here because I make it to 2. Put it right inside. Alright. Now we're gonna start blending, guys. Alright, so now I can start adding my ice to it. And I use crushed ice. that's it for the tropical storm. I'm gonna pour it into a glass right now. Wow, that looks magnificent, guys. Beautiful. So guys, you got all the goodness right here for the tropical storm in this hot weather. That's the tropical storm right there. Hope you guys enjoy it. As I said, it's quarter cup of watermelon, quarter cup of cantaloupe, and quarter cup of honeydew, and quarter cup of pineapple and the banana, and half a cup of orange juice. And you can use roughly about a half a cup of crushed ice. You should be good. All right, and that's it. I'm just gonna try one out. Wow, guys, this is up. Guys, and if you notice, I haven't put any yogurt inside this. Tropical storm doesn't get any yogurt. I just want to thank all of you guys for watching, liking, sharing the videos. Keep on sharing it. Hit the notification bell, you know when I put up a new video. And thank you for watching again. I'm just gonna enjoy my tropical storm on the outside here in this hot weather. Don't worry, I won't be drinking all of this. This is good. Wow. Thanks for watching again. Catch you in the next one.